one of the key reasons why the Kina is being devalued so rapidly is because there is a lack of demand for Kina. Like, for example, the Honorable Sepukat Temu spoke about the decline in exploration dollars. You'll notice that over the last 5 years, the amount of foreign investment brought into the exploration sector has totally evaporated. So that Kina, those dollars that could have been buying the Kina in order to help strengthen it, is no longer there. It's a simple supply-demand problem.